guys, we're going home na.
Friday, online na lang.
Pearl!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And Carrie! Then Clement! Padala ka si Clement. Charing. Hindi namin, nabilin si Kuroy.
Budget.
Miss na mo ang Disney Princess. Charing. Bye-bye! Guys, Nami's Trans Station.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Look guys. Look at the picture. Mahulog ako sa cellphone. Gabi na. Wala pa ni Larga among gisakyan. 7 p.m. pa ang biyahe. But it's like 6 p.m. right now. 6:30. Let me check. Ay, di ma-check. Really high pick up. Anyways, look at the moon. Look at my friendies. Guys, say hi to the camera. Abongol-bongol akong mga friends. Saan nyo nakitaan? Nakakita mo gwapo? Kita mo gwapo dito? Tawagan sana mo among friendly nga si Paige. Nabilin siya sa boarding house kaya tomorrow pa yung flight. Wait. Kuray, free shirt ta kasama mong vlog.
Picture ka niya sa
Ina, mingaw na ko sa mong festy. Pretty ba sa Disney Princess?
kain na sa lala ka sa. Galaan siya.
Naka pension house, no? Kita kag foreign journey, ha? Guys, look at the float. Ay, the ship. Look at the moon. It's perfect. Chirik. Mapamika larga na siya kung biniri. Yeah. Sinay ka siya mudagan. Guys, welcome to my vlog. Paulit namin. I'm with my mom and you, Alex. Namin diri sa dalan. Wapo kaya mong car. Lamborghini. Hey guys, I just reached home and I'm in my childhood house and I'm with the Dookies. That's Kiki. Paligo na day ko guys. Jikoy. And then Lot, Charlotte. Oh, Sky. Sky Luling. Sky. Anyo. Hi, ma. Busy si mother o kuan. Siyang mga tanom. Timba mo. Lanta nga ta TV guys kay mahaw pa ko. Ba? Sa watching TV, look at my dad. Daming alaga. That's my dad. They're back TV. I'm watching Grandfather nila. Okay. My dad. Lakura ko bunog. Wala pwede pa sa budang mga kitang. Hello! Hello! Ah! Marimar! Andum-dum pa ka ni ate. She still recognize me. Is si Marimar? Ay, mong fit. Basta sa naniyo. Sipon man ka. Ay, ang kuya. Ay, ang meow. Ay! Nandito ako siya. Ang gwapa man niya mga mingming. Ay, pwede. Marimar man ang mama meow. Namutsingat mo tipikoy. Hello guys, I just got here at my parents' workplace. I'm gonna surprise the dogs. Let's see if they still remember me. They didn't even greet me. Just Tukay! What are you doing? doing her business. Tukay! Tukay! Shh! Tukay! Don't remember me. Oh, the YouTube. He adopted Titoy. Doesn't know me. He's Koy Koy Sisi! You miss me? Ah, bling, babling, 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 babling. Ah! Sisi so happy? Happy yan? Hmm? After 5 months, kita na mi.